Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to add or create a mega menu. So a mega menu is basically a large expandable menu to display more options. You can add pictures to it, paragraphs, whatever you want. It's something that looks like this. So like you have your menu and you usually have to just hover over the menu item or element and you get another list or this kind of drop down that shows multiple options. Now this is great if you want your website to look more organized, if you want your website users to be or actually find what they want easily, so it's more user friendly. Now we're going to create our menu, so we're just going to add a basic menu and then turn it into a mega menu. In order to do that, go to the left-handed menu right here and then click on the plus icon that says add element. Once you add your element, so you're going to scroll down until you find menu and anchor. Now this is what you want to do. This is where you add a normal or a basic menu. I'm going to add a horizontal menu right here and choose one that matches your website. Do not forget that you can always customize and personalize this from colors to fonts to size, whatever you want. So here I have my menu. So we have new, women, and men. Of course, you can make this bigger than it is, but this is not our video today. What we want to do, you want to click on your menu, take it to your header, so make sure that it's inside your header. Your header is always in orange, so once it's in your header, it becomes orange. You're going to click on this gear icon that says settings. Now from settings, we're going to take our basic menu, which is this menu, into an advanced one, which is a mega menu. Now click to set as advanced. Now once you do that, you're going to scroll down and you get this dialog page. You get this manage menu. You're going to click on add menu item from right here. You get a list of things that you can add items. We want to add a mega menu. Now once you do that, we added our mega menu. I'm just going to show you an example. For example, I'm going to add a menu called product. Now this is our menu item. Here is our products or our menu item. Now what we want to do, we want to get this drop down that we call actually a container. So you're going to click on products from right here. Okay, from right here, you're just going to click on edit, and once you get the click on edit, you get the drop down container. Now this drop down container is what you get when your website visitor hovers over the menu item. Of course, you can make this as big as you want it to be. You can change the size, and from right here you're going to add your elements. Now here, as you can see, you only have one option, which is add elements, which is your best friend in this case. Now in products, I want to add, for example, a picture, two pictures. I want to add skincare and hair product, for example. So I'm just going to add any picture from right here, upload images. So here I'm going to add, for example, makeup picture. I'm just going to resize it a little bit and drop it down into my container. And in my container, from right here, I'm going to add a button that says makeup that takes me to the page that has my makeup product. So here is a button. Just click any type of button. Of course, you can always customize these. Here I'm just going to click on makeup. So double click to change the name of the button. Of course, you can add a paragraph, a text, whatever you want. Okay, I forgot the a makeup. And then I'm going to link it to one of my pages. So here is my page. I'm just going, well, I don't have actually a product page for makeup yet, but I'm just going to click, for example, on product page. Here, and you can see that it can take you to multiple items. So here, for example, I'm just going to click on lipstick and brush. So once your website visitor clicks on this makeup button, it's going to take it to the item that you want it to take it to. And then I'm going to add another picture for the skincare, let's say. So we're going to click on image. Of course, you can customize your container however you want it to be. For the skincare, I'm just going to add this picture, for example. This is all an example. And then resize it, put it in my container. So this is the picture. Again, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than it is. Of course, you can adjust the picture however you want. Click on image and then click on edit image. And then we're going to add one more button that says skincare. Here, I'm going to double click and click on skin care, and then link the button. Don't forget to always link your button, because if you don't, that button is just displayed, it doesn't do actually anything. So we're going to our product page, or you can even choose a category page. For example, in case of a category page, we want it to take us to skincare, and then click on done. You can add, of course, more and make your container however or how big you want it to be, and then just click on save, or we're just going to preview our mega menu. So here is my shop. So here is my menu. So here you click, it takes you to this page, but once you hover over the products item here, you get this drop down or container, and then you can click, and then your customer, for example, can click on makeup, and it takes you to the page of the item, like we already said before. So here is the lipstick and the blush. If I choose skincare, it takes me to a category that's especially for skincare, that sells a product of skincare. As you can see, here are my products, and this is basically how you make a mega menu. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.